Hey Dev, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn how to set XHR breakpoints in Chrome DevTools. For this video, I'll be using Chrome version 85. Let's jump in. Here I have a simple app where I can make different network requests to an endpoint. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link in the description. XHR, or XML HTTP requests, are network requests from the client to an API. XHRs let your application communicate with other programs. When debugging requests, it's nice to be able to set XHR breakpoints to see when your code makes a request and what happens next. To set an XHR breakpoint, you need to open the DevTools. So use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-I or Command-Option-I. Then head over here to the Sources tab. All breakpoints are listed in the debugger pane, so let's open XHR/fetch breakpoints. Let's start off by setting a breakpoint on all requests. First, click this plus icon to add XHR/fetch breakpoint. Then a text input with the prompt break when URL contains will open. If we leave this field blank and hit enter or return, we can see that a breakpoint has been set on any XHR or fetch, right here. Now when we go back to our app and make a network request in the window, we hit our breakpoint and the sources pane opens to the line that called fetch. From this point, I can step through my code using the debugging toolbar. Once I'm done, I can hit play here or back in the window. Breaking on all URLs is nice at times, but it will get noisy if your app is making a lot of requests. Let's remove that breakpoint by right-clicking and selecting Remove Breakpoint. You can set a more specific breakpoint based on URL or fragment matching. Add a new breakpoint by clicking the plus icon. Now we can enter the URL or fragment that we want to match on. Let's put ET because that will match two of my URLs. Finally, hit enter or return. And we can see that that breakpoint has been set when the URL contains ET. Back in the app, the breakpoint will only hit when the request URL matches that fragment. So we break on get, which contains an ET, and delete, which also contains ET. Finally, I'll remove that breakpoint by right-clicking and selecting Remove Breakpoint. In this video, we learned how to set and remove XHR breakpoints in the Chrome DevTools. We learned to break on all requests or URL matching. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.